Hello. In this video I want to clear out the difference between the latest news to post and the custom news to post menus from Newsomatic. Okay, so the latest news to post will import only the post from the latest 24 hours, and custom news to post will import uh, articles from any date, also older articles. Also, there is a major difference between the latest and the custom, because the latest will allow you to also import by category and by news sources, while the custom don't allow you to import by category, only by news sources and any. Also, the latest one will allow you to filter by country, while the custom one will allow you to filter by language. Okay, so let's check the news API's counterparts. There are here. So you will see the endpoints for news API, top headlines, everything. Top headlines means the latest, and everything means the custom news to posts. So if you want to search for news from Brazil and you want the top headlines country Brazil, you just go. So if you want to achieve this, you should go to latest news to posts here, because you wish to import anything from Brazil. Select any. Let's go to country and select Brazil, and you will have the results from here. This is all you have to do, and save settings, and this will import content from Brazil. It is running now, and it is importing exactly these settings, these posts, sorry. Okay, so other things that need to clear up. Let's see posts right now. So let's check our blog, and yeah, exactly the results from here. Okay, and so on. So if you want to import by country, then you should go here, and you will get the latest posts from this country. If you want to import by language, you should go here and import by language. Okay, I wanted to clear this thing up. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and keep up with updates, because other cool updates will come soon. Okay, until next time, bye bye.